Hello friends, welcome to CADMaster CATIA V5 R21 tutorial series. In this session, we will learn about the GUI of CATIA V5 R21. Before starting this session, you have to install the CATIA V5 R21 software in your desktop. After installing CATIA V5 R21 software, the icon is like this, as I have already started the software. Whenever you start the software, the product workbench is open. On the upper side of the workbench, there is a menu bar. Menu bar includes various panels. First panel is the start. Before starting the start panel, there are various 108 workbenches in the CATIA V5 R21 software. But our main focus is on the mechanical design. Mostly mechanical engineers use this software for surface design, sheet metal design and other aspects also. There are other workbenches have their main purpose. Infrastructure is used for the rendering purpose. Shape panel is used for the surface design, and also analysis and simulation workbench is used for the product analysis. Then file panel. File panel is used to start the new file. You can start the new document, new file from here. You can open existing file also, you can open the new file also. You can close the file, you can save the file. Then edit panel. Edit panel is used mainly when the drafting workbench is open. You can repeat the design commands whenever you require. You can move the design, you can set the design after completed. Then view panel. In the view panel, you can set the toolbar whenever you require, like this. If you required workbench toolbar, you can simply right click on it. This is the workbench toolbar. Insert panel. Insert panel is mainly used when the assembly workbench is started. When assembly workbench is started, you can insert new component, new product, new part whenever you require. Then tool panel. Tool panel is used to capture the image. You can also start the video from here of the design. You can also setting the workbench of the CATIA V5 R21 software from the option. Just click on the options. You can start the setting. General setting, infrastructure setting. You can also set the scale units of the design whenever you require. Then analyze panel. In the analyze panel, you can set the bill of material of the product. You can update the product, you can constrain it, and you can also give the degrees of freedom to various product. Then window panel. Window panel is used to set the panel or set the window horizontally, vertically whenever you require. Then last but not the least is the help panel. Help panel is used whenever you require the help to use CATIA V5 R21 software. Then on the upper corner left side, there is a application menu bar. Application menu bar is used to restore the design. You can also minimize the panel, you can also maximize the panel, you can close it. Then on the right side upper corner, there is a navigation bar. Navigation bar is used to rotate the planes of the new document. On the left side below corner, this is the status bar. Status bar is used to show the status of the design. Then on the below side right corner, this is the search prompt. Search prompt is used to search the various commands. There are the various toolbars on the side of the right and the various toolbar on the below side also. You can simply use each and every toolbar whenever you require. Just use drag and drop system. You can just click on the toolbar and just drag on the workbench whenever you require. This is the standard toolbar. In the standard toolbar, you can start the new file, new document. You can open the existing file. You can close the file and also you can save the file. And simply after use, you can set it on the below side. Then the main focus is on the also view toolbar. View toolbar is also earlier we seen in the menu bar. In the view toolbar, you can rotate the document, you can rotate the new design, you can pan the document, you can rotate or pan the new file. Also you can zoom in, zoom out the design. You can also set the various aspects of the design, that is the various views of the designs. This is the total view bar, and after use you can set it on the below side. This is the complete graphical user interface of the CATIA V5 R21 software. Thanks for watching the video.